Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Ramp Spotting, where I show you all the cool and interesting stuff I see on the ramp. Stay tuned and I'll be right back. I'm standing here next to one of the prettiest planes I've ever seen. It's a Cessna 185 Skywagon on floats. Let's let that guy take off. Anyway, like I said, a 185 Skywagon on floats. Isn't that beautiful? I cannot imagine what it's like to sit so high up in an aircraft like that. Anyway, let's take a closer look. So, a common misconception that I've read online is that float planes like this aren't usually supposed to go on land. Now, a lot of them don't. A lot of floats don't have the gear built in like this, but this one does. And the way it works, some floats have gear that go upwards and then retract in. This one looks like it just comes upwards and the wheel sits right here out of the water. That makes sense. And the rear ones look like they just retract into the floats. Yeah. So yeah, these are capable of landing on land, as you can see here, and of course in the water. When you're in the water, you drop these water rudders and they give you ability to steer in the water. It looks like at some point this aircraft was a tail dragger. You can see back here, it's still got that tail dragger mechanism. And that's not too hard to do, to convert between float configuration and conventional configuration. If we look in the top of the plane, right here, there's a ring right there and a ring right there. You'll see these on 180s and 185 models. They're used to lift the aircraft off the ground. They're essentially hoist points so that you can roll floats underneath and attach them. I can't imagine climbing up there. That must be so badass in the water. Wow. What else can I show you? I'm trying to see what that is on the wing over here. I bet that's a mirror. Yeah, that's a mirror, so the pilot can check the gear condition. Because you do not want to land in the water with the gear down like that, because you will flip over and kill yourself. So it's important to make sure that gear is up when you're in the water. What a beast. Well, thank you for watching another fantastic episode of Ramp Spotting. We'll see you next time.